Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am here with my next box that I got from VIA Trading Liquidation Company. It's a wholesale lot place that we can get some overstock and shelf pulls, and this is what this is, a new overstock. So let me give you the stats on this box and let you know what's in it. If you haven't seen my other two videos, I did some NYX makeup cosmetics, and check out part 1 and part 2, and I give you the numbers on that as well. So this is a L'Oreal new overstock cosmetic lot. I paid $412.50 for it. It may not look like a lot, but there are 250 items in this box. I paid about $35 shipping approximately, and then it came out to $447.50 total, which means if I divide the 250 items up, I paid $1.79 per item. Okay, I always include the shipping cost in my cost of goods just so that it covers and I have a realistic number of how much money I'm spending. So $1.79 per box. Let's see exactly what I get in a L'Oreal Overstock Cosmetics box. So this one's a little bit larger than the NYX, but I was very pleasantly surprised at what I was able to actually put on there. L'Oreal, I'm a little bit more concerned I'm going to be restricted on Amazon, so I'll have to sell a lot more of them on eBay. But makeup sells, and it's small, it's easy to ship, and it sells. Okay, we got a lot. Okay, so this is L'Oreal Visible Lift Blur Concealer or Corrector, kind of like a foundation. Looks like we've got, this is what I love to see, barcodes. So this is a pink lipstick, and we've got various different colors of lipstick. Let me see. Okay, the numbers are on the top. So this one's Pink Resistance, Lilac Ever After. Like we got Stubborn Plum, Lilac Ever After. So I'm just going to read a few of these. Here's some more concealer. That's a different size bottle. Blur Foundation. So this is actually foundation. So as you can see, everything is in new condition. I've been really, really pleased with what I've got. Oh, this is Never Fail powder eyeliner pen. So it's powder eyeliner. There's 2 of them in this box. So, and there's a bunch of those. Let me see if that's exactly what's in all of these. Yes, Never Fail Power Eye, Purple Smoke. So I think we've just got different colors. So these are all powder eyeliners, these black boxes. More lipstick. Lipstick, 2 packs. Oh, this is a one for... We'll have to see. This is a Blur Blush. So this looks like a liquid blush. We've got another Silky Pencil Eyeliner. All right, more of these shadow eyeliners. I'm just wondering, I did a purple one. Let me see if this is a different color. Purple Smoke. They might all be the exact same color. Let me try one more. Ooh, this is a smaller box. So this might be something different. Yeah, this is the pencil eyeliner. This one is green. So if you want to have green eyes, there you go. This one is green ivy as well. All right, more foundation, more foundation, more lipstick, 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 lipstick in various different colors. The nice thing is they're marked with the colors Infinite Fuchsia, Stubborn Plum. So I can kind of lump them together. Here is something different. Here's a True Match Roller. So it's a foundation that comes with its own roller pad to put on so it goes on evenly. I sound like a commercial, don't I? All right, here is a Voluminous Extra Volume Mascara. So we got a couple of those in here. So, and I know mascara, personally for me, I usually spend about 10 bucks on a mascara. Lipstick. And then here's a different kind. This is a red. L'Oreal Scarlet Concerto. Okay, here's another smoky eye. Some more of these. Let me make sure these are still the purple. Yep, Purple Smoke. Looks like I've got a lot of those, so hopefully those are worth it. Here's the skinnier ones, the green ivy pencils. That's what these ones here are in these thinner boxes. Ooh, here's a different size box we haven't done. Glossy Balm Petite Plum. So this is a lip gloss. Petite Plum. So 2 of them in there. Now the last box that I opened, there were a lot of 2-packs and 3-packs, and I was able to actually split them up and sell them individually. So just because it's in a 2-pack doesn't mean I have to sell it for a 2-pack. Here's some more lipstick. Lots and lots of that. More. I'm going to try to pull all the lipsticks out to kind of give you an idea. So regular, this one's a little bit of a different kind of lipstick. But all still sealed, brand new. So I'm pretty excited about that. Like some of the pairs have been broken apart, but the actual lipstick has never been opened. So this is a blush, the liquid blush. Some more concealer. This one is a different kind of lip gloss. So here's a lip gloss here. A couple of those. Got some more blush, foundation, some of this. See, I got a lot of repeats, which is really nice, especially if I'm going to have to put some of this on eBay, because I'll be able to put, not have to make as many listings. So I'll be able to put, you know, quantity 10 or whatever it is. Oops. This is a True Match powder. So it's like a bronzer. Here's another lip gloss, some more blush, lipstick, 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 tons of it. We're going to be very colorful by the end of this box, I believe. Very colorful. They packaged it really nice so that it doesn't get banged around too much. Big bubble wrap in here. Some more foundation, different color. As you can see, these are different shades of foundations. Another one. Some more regular lipstick. All right, that might be the end of the lipsticks. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Looks like some of that powder foundation. Yes, different colors though. Warm, it looks like it's just warm color is what it's called. So there's 2 of those. Here's a True Match compact makeup. Looks like it has a mirror and stuff, so it's one you can put in your purse. Some of those eyeliner pencil, Green Ivy. No, this one is actually gold eyeliner pencil. So it's a gold, so you can see that on the tip that it's gold. So it looks like we have various different colors of eyeliner pencils, which are always fun. This one is silk, this is gold. This one is Green Ivy. This one is Green Ivy. Gold. So I'm only seeing the 2 colors in the pencil one. Green Ivy. Green Ivy. Okay. Let's see. This one's probably the powder shadow again. Yep, the purple smoke. So if you like purple, send me a comment. Maybe I can sell you these cheap or link you to my eBay or Amazon page. You can buy it from me. Alrighty, more of the powder eyeliner. There's a bunch of those. Pull all those out. More, this is a gold one. Alright, let's see. What's in this box? I love the fact that every single thing, this is the True Match L'Oreal. I have a feeling these are going to be worth something. It's actually got sunscreen, SPF 17 in it. So it's a foundation with sunscreen. So I have a feeling that those are going to go for a little bit more than the average makeup item. Now, I'm really excited about L'Oreal because it's a little bit more higher end than the NYX that I posted before. Here's another True Match with the SPF. So I'm excited that maybe I'll be able to make even more cashola. There's Finishing Power Super Blendable Powder. The things us ladies do to look lovely. All right. Some more of that powder. So as you can see, everything is brand new, in package, sealed well. This is a different shape box. There's another powder pencil. Let's see what's in this mystery box. Mystery box, mystery box. Oh, these are different. Oh, some of those True Roller Match. There's 2 of those. So you already saw me get one of them out. It was a single by itself. But they're, even though these were in a box, the other one it's sealed. It's got a piece of tape on it. And so it's never been opened. So I can sell them brand new. That's the nice thing. What's in this? Well, let's open these before we get to those. Looks like this is probably more powder. Yep, True Match powder in this one. And it looks like I've got the same thing in this one. And then this is that finishing powder. More of those eye pencils and eye powder. Let's see what these are. Try not to break into the actual. All right. See if we can get these open. Something with color, obviously. Ooh, what are these? L'Oreal. It's got a liquid in them. And it says it's a Forever Candy nail color. So it's basically the color and the clear gloss that goes with it. And so it's got various different colors. This looks more pinkish reddish. Here's obviously a light pink. These are neat. I like these. I might have to keep one. No, one rule. When you're a reseller, don't keep it. Sell it, make more money, then buy what you want. Oh, looks like there's a silver in here too. Let me see. Yep, there's a silver one. So various different colors. Those are neat. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe about 12 in that little package. Let's see what's in. This is the last thing I'm opening. It's 4 boxes of something. Let's see. Walk on the beach. Looks like these are different colors of something. Nail polish. So I've got 4 different shades of nail polish. So this one is called Nude. So, oh, I gotta put it back in the box. So 4 different kinds of, so I've got nail polish, I've got powdered eyeshadow, I've got eyeliner pencil, I've got mascara, I've got lipstick, I've got lip gloss, I've got foundation, I've got concealer, I've got blush. Pretty much, if it's colorful, I've got it. I've got a lot of the powder bronzers, which I know are really, really popular right now. And so I'm really, really hoping that I can make a good profit. In my next video, I'm going to try to give you the numbers of what I think I can make and what will go on eBay and what will go on Amazon. And so I'll give you the breakdown in the next video. I hope this has been helpful to give you an idea of what VIA trading makeup lots look like. This one is specifically a L'Oreal one, came with 250 items. Like I said, approximately about $1.79 per item. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.